Fake meat is turning into real profits. Shares of Beyond Meat are up 40%, best part of 40% today after the first earnings report since its IPO last month. Sales jumped more than 215% over last year. It IPOs around 25. It closes something ridiculous. It's now over 138. CNN's Claire Sebastian is with me. These results, were they... I mean, 215% sales on sales year growth sounds really good.
I mean, it is. It was a beat on expectations. They expected them to be pretty good. They beat slightly, but it's not just the actual results, Richard. It was the guidance. They're expecting 140% revenue growth this year. Not only that, but they said that is a conservative estimate because that doesn't include any of the partnerships with restaurants that they're currently in a testing phase for. We know about Tim Hortons, the Canadian fast food brand, but the tease there was that there are other partnerships out there, and that's one of the things that's got investors really excited.
But how... Look, we've got it all here.
Yeah.
We've got...
The cooked version? The
cooked version, which actually, no, we have absolutely no intention of well, maybe I might just have a little sniff of it later or two. We've got the sausage, which I was barbecuing last week for some friends, and the burgers, and they were very well received. But the potential for the competition to move in is Beyond Meat so far ahead that it doesn't have to worry as much?
They do have to worry. They've got giants like Tyson Food and Nestle moving in. But they talked about this, Richard, on the earnings call. They said they went to market early. They went while they were still iterating the recipe of the product. They've got the Beyond Burger 2.0 that's going to come out because they wanted the first mover advantage. They wanted to get out there to have the brand recognition. And it seems to be working. This is the best name on the block alongside Impossible Foods. So they are the first out there. But they do have to be careful. They haven't got the means and the resources that someone like Nestle has. So they certainly have to keep innovating.
But they've got this cachet, and everybody is wondering whether, what are we, 138 on the stock today? Is this a $500 stock? And one missed the boat. How much of that is pushing this?
The hype.
Yes, thank you, the hype. People, not just the IPO hype, but people are terrified they may be missing the next gold rush, and they're determined not to.
I mean, I'm looking at the price targets, some of which went up today from the analysts. There's a big disparity.
Go on, what are they?
So the biggest one I've seen is from JP Morgan, 120. So we're beyond that already. Goldman Sachs, 76, Bernstein, 107. So there's quite a big disparity. There are people...
We're above all of them.
We're above all of them. And, people are looking at this as a big growth story, but they are also looking at the risks. Can they scale at the right speed? Even if they get a partnership with a big brand like McDonald's to put burgers in their stores, can they actually meet that demand quick enough? They have to be careful how fast they grow as well.